Yeah, mchwana wa bantu.
Mchwana wa bantu.
Mchwana wa bantu is everywhere, right? Let us call this hand.
Distinction.
Distinction. Yeah, so mchwana wa bantu is everywhere, man.
Mchwana wa bantu. Everywhere. Mchwana wa bantu everywhere.
Everywhere.
Mchwana wa bantu.
Exactly. Thanks a lot.
Listen, man, how you doing, man? My name is Hamish. I'm going to show you two methods of solving this question. The first method is how to solve without using calculator, and the second method is using with a calculator, which I'll recommend, especially in exam, because it takes a very few seconds for you to get done with the question. How you doing, man? So we have a question right here. My name is Hamish. Let's get started. So let's say here if AB, so we have a ratio here of AB equals 4, and then BC equals 4 and 4. 3 and 4, and the CD equals 6 and 7. They say find the ratio of A, B, C, D. Okay, so let's go. This is very easy. So you know, the easy way to approach this question, man, is easy, man. Me personally, I'll just go and take these options here, the first one, and try to go back. So I'm not gonna start from here going back. I'll start from here and see if I can go back and find A, B, C. You know what I'm saying? Now let's get started. So now let's go for the first option. So this is the first option, okay? So since this is the first option, guys, okay? So now let me find AB and see if it's true. AB, okay? Let's see if AB is going to give me 4, 5. So now, so according to the equation, they say find A, B, C, D. So according to this option means this is true. Okay, now let's see if it's true. So I'm going to take AB and see if it's going to give me AB equal to, which equal to 4 and 5. Okay. So what is AB meaning? When you say A ratio B, it's like A over B. So A ratio B is like A over B. So I'm going to take 4. So I'm going to say what? This 4 divide by 4 over 3. Okay? So what does that mean? So divide in a fraction you can multiply. You can say 4 times flip 3 over 4. 4 and 4 cancel. So it's like 3. It's just only 3. So 3 is like 3 over 1. Oh, so A over B, our A over B is what is? 3 ratio 1. But if you come here in option, it's not 4 over 5 because AB is supposed to be 4 over 5. So this is not equal to 4 over 5. So you're going to say AB. I can write here AB. We got, what did you got AB? We got what? 3 over 1. Or you can say 3 ratio 1 because over is like a ratio, which is not equal to 4 over 5, which is not equal to 4 ratio 5. So since only the first part is not true, means everything is not true here. I'm not going to bother with that. You know what I'm saying? Now I'll go for the second one. So for the second one also means, let's assume even if this one works, all they must work. Means also if you get BC, it must be 3 over 4. And if you get CD also, it must be 6 over 7. So the first one already denied. So it's rejected. So that's not true. Now let's go for the second one. So for the second one, they say, so we know this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D according to their options, okay? So now let's take that. So I'm going to say AB means A over B. So it's like, okay, so now we're going to do same thing here for the second option. So we have here, you know what I'm saying, we got just like how we see. So we have a 4 and 3. So let's find AB and C. If it's going to give a 4 and 5, we want to see if AB is going to give 4 5. So for this option, now let's go. So I'm going to say AB, A ratio B. What does that mean? It means it's A over B. What is that A? 4 over 3. 4 over 3, and then divide by 5 over 3. Divide by 5 over 3. But you know, when you divide it in fraction, means we have to flip 4 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 5. We flip the second one. So this and this cancel, so it's 4 over 5. Oh, so AB for the second option is 4 ratio 5. Let's come and check here if it's true. It's true. Now we want to go for BC. Okay, now let's go for BC. So what is a B? BC means, okay, our B is 5 over 3. 5 over 3, and then we divide by C. C equal to 6 over 4. So what happened? This is going to be 5 over 3, and then we're going to flip it. And then we're going to have 4 over 6. Now let's simplify. So we know for facts, this could be 2 and this could be 3. And this is going to give us 10 over 9. Oh, so now we know B ratio C equal to 10 over 9. So it's like say 10 ratio 9, which is not equal to 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So it's not equal to 3 ratio 4. So for that case, this disqualify, and should reject this. So if you reject this, I don't even have to continue with C and D, because this already is not true. Means the whole of this is not true. You know what I'm saying? So now I'll go for the last one. So for the last one here, let's see. So first and foremost, I'm gonna have to simplify it, okay? So now these I have to write in proper fraction. So this is gonna be 10. 5 times 2, you know, in proper fraction, 5 times 2 equal to 10. 10 plus 2 equal to 12. So we have it 12 over 5. Okay? And then we have to divide by b. What is a b? B equal to 3. Because this is like, shows me, this is like A, B, C, and D. Okay? For the third option. Okay? Let me take this out. Let me get another pen, another page, excuse me. So that's our A, B, C for the third option. So A ratio B means, let me change in proper fraction. 10 plus 2 equal to 12 over 5 divided by B. What is a B? B equal to 3. So it's like, say, 3 over 1. So this 12 over 5, when you flip, it's going to be 1 over 3 by 3, 1 by 3, 4. So 4 over 5. Oh, so that means for the first option is true, because A ratio B equal to 4 over 5. 4 ratio 5. Okay? Now, let's go for BC. For BC now, B over C. So what is a B? Our B equal to 3. Mean the second one. And our C equal to 4. So 3 over 4. So this time I say 3 ratio 4. So if you come in option, the ratio 4 is true. 3 ratio 4. Now we want to go for CD, the last one. You know what I'm saying? CD 6 over 7. So let's see if it's going to give us the accurate values for CD. What is our C? Our C equal to 4. Oh, so CD means C over D. Okay, what is a C? Our C equal to 4 divided by D. What is a D? D equal to so I have to change this in proper fraction. So I'll multiply and then I'll add. 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 2 equal to 14. Oh, so we divide by 14 over 3 over 3. Okay. So what we're gonna do this one? Easy, man. So I can say this is like over 1. So let's say 4 multiplied by flipping. So 4 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 14. Excuse me, 3 over 14. By 2, 2 by 2, 7. So this is going to be 6 over 7. 6 over 7. Or you can say 6 ratio 7. And this is C ratio D. Oh, so it's true, because this is same as 6 ratio 7 for C, D. So that case now, our option 3 is the answer. And okay, so now let's solve the same question now with the calculator, which is the base method. I would recommend use this method, because you know why? It saves a lot of time. Now let's see, let's go quicker. In less or in 1 minute we're done using without calculator. Thank you. Let's go. We're gonna start phase in the option 1. Let's say 4 divided by 4 A ratio B. So A ratio B means A over B. So let's take A over B and see if it's gonna give us 4 over 5. So I'm going to come in a calculator, especially if you use this type of calculator. So I'm going to say 4 and then divide by fraction. Fraction, what is that? 4 over 3. So 4 on top, 4 over, and then our 3. 3. So we have this. So now we come and say equal to 3. So 3. So we take 4 divided by 4 over 3. Oh. So that's already wrong, because it means we get 3. 3 is not 4 over 5. To get 3 is like 3 ratio 1. Means our AB that we got from our first solving is 3, 1, which is not equal. Is not equal to 4. Is not equal to 4 ratio 5. So since that one is not true, everything's not true. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to bother. Now let's go for the second one. So for the second option here, see, so you can use a calculator and now waste all the time. For the second one, I'm gonna say so if I take this, because it's like A, B, C, D. So if I take 4 over 3 and do the same game, okay, let's find A over B and see if it's going to give 4 over 5. So 4 over 3, fraction, okay, 4, 4, and then come here because we go down over 3, and there we go. Next, divide, that divide right there, and then we go for what? For 5 over 3. So we go fraction again, we go 5 over 3. So 5 over the what? 3. Okay, let's see the answer. So we go equal, and then we see this. It give us a 5. I don't know if you can see that. You know what I'm saying? This give us a 5 over 5. 4 over 5, which is true. Oh, okay. So the second option, we see the first one is true. But now we can just not conclude only for these two say everything's true. Let's go for BC. So for BC, we're going to do the same game. So I'm going to do BC. I'll say 4 over 3 divided by 6 over 4. Okay? So 4 over 3, come here. Fraction, I'll say 4 over 3. Okay, divide by 6 over 4. So come here, fraction, 6 over 4. So 6, come down over 4. Okay, now let's see. So this gives us 8 over 9, or 8 over 9. But 8 over 9 is not 3 and 4, so it's not the same. So since this is not the same, so then everything is not correct because of the second option messed up everything. So we want to say, okay, so now 8 over 9 is not equal. So for BC, you know, we get 80 ratio 9. It's like 8 over 9, which is not equal to 3 and 4. 3 ratio 4. So for that case, everything messed up again. Now let's go for the last one. So that's an easy way of solving, you know. So for the last one, we're going to do the same game, okay? The last option, we do the same game. A, B, C, D. Now let's find A, B. Let's find A, B, and C, this one here, and see if it's going to give us 4 or 5. So take my calculator again, same game. Okay, so now you got to be careful here, okay? This is a mixed fraction, 2 over 5. So come here. Since this is like mixed fraction, so I'm going to say shift, and then I go for this one. So 2, go to the top, 2, oh my god, excuse me, come here, 2 over 5, and then we divide by what? By 3. Okay, let's see, 4 over 5, yeah, it's true, because in our option here, AB is 4 over 5, so A over B is true, is 4 over 5. Now we want to go for BC, so 3 divided by 4, okay, this one straight away, 3 divided by 4 is true, 3 divided by 4. You know what I'm saying? I don't even have to plug in the calculator, because if you say 3 divided by 4 is like 3 over 4. It's going to be 3 over 4, which is 3 ratio 4. You know what I'm saying? I hope you can see 3 ratio 4. So for the last one, okay, so it's true. For BC is true. Now we want to go for the last one, CD. So 4 divided by 4, 2 over 3. Okay, so I'm going to come here. I say, okay, BC. So I'm going to come. I say 4 divide by so this is 3 mixed fraction, so you go shift and then you click that one and they say 4, come to the top, and they say 2, come down over 3, and we get what? 6 over 7. 6 over 7, yes, so it's true also. This is 6 over, the third one is 6 over 7, yes. So for this one, all of them are true. So the third option is true, means that one option is true. So if you go back to our option in the question, means option 3 is correct, and I don't have to continue with the last option because it's just a waste of time. You do this question, it is easy like that, man. Thanks a lot. You know what I'm saying? Look, man, I believe in learning from how to do things. If it's make sure you subscribe, and you know, you can just go and do donation to our Patreon page. I have a Patreon, I have a GoFundMe. You know what I'm saying? I have all the means of donation, because to make this project going, you know, any type of donation, the little that you think is too small for you, it could make a lot of change. And thanks a lot for all your time. You know, subscribe, don't forget, share this video, circulate to a lot of people, you know, because the meaning of this project, this program, is to help as many as we can. Okay, it's not only for one person or two, because you might think it's not helpful for you, but for somebody next out there, it could be very, very helpful. So thanks a lot, man. And you know, any donation that you did to me, it means so much. I appreciate, man. It means a lot. Go to our Patreon page, go to our GoFundMe, because we need to have a lot of things. We need to put them together, like camera, and a lot of equipment, so that we can improve on a lot of angle, a lot of aspects of these projects. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate and I love you. Peace, man. Bye. This is one of my students of knowledge. She wanted to introduce herself. What's your name? Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Kali. I
Yeah.
go to Southend Primary School.
Yeah, China with Bantu.
China with Bantu.
China with Bantu is everywhere, right? So this is my other student. His name, what's your name?
Matthew.
Matthew, yeah, he's grade 11, man. So his aim is to score distinction, right? So you promise, I want you to score distinction this time. And what's your name?
Joshua.
Joshua, how much you promise me to score this time?
Distinction.
Distinction. Yeah, so China Bantu is everywhere, man.
China Bantu. Everywhere. China Bantu everywhere.
Everywhere.
China Bantu
Exactly.
everywhere.
Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Thanks so much. If you had to give advice, which advice would you give to the people or to the students?
Trust Amish.
Why would they trust me?
No, because it's really good. They actually has helped a lot. I redid first year for maths. It was my own fault, but also I didn't know a lot of the work. And Amish said lots of hard questions, and it's demotivating sometimes to do the harder stuff. You just want to get done, but it's the hard stuff that makes you realize the easy stuff is easy.
Ayaphuma madoda yosingela hawe ibanya hawe ibanya hawe ibanya hawe ibanya hawe away.